Argus University Video Shorts. My name is Professor Markham, and today we are going to learn how to use a clipping mask to knock out the fill inside of custom texts. All right, so to get started, we're going to go open up Adobe Photoshop and we're going to click on New File. So for this tutorial, I am going to go over to Print, because there's a chance I might want to print this out. So I'm going to choose Letter. I'm going to go to my orientation settings over on the right. I'm going to click Landscape. Then I'm going to change my color mode to cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, because that is the preferred mode of color for printing. I'm going to hit Create. And the first thing I'm going to do is bring my layers panel over, and now I want to bring in my files that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to go up to File, Open. I'm going to choose my collage folder. I'm going to select the sunset for this particular tutorial. Okay, now that I have my sunset open, I'm going to show you how to crop an image for starters. Now, as you can see, I do not see my Tools panel on the screen. Now, if that happens, we can go up to Windows, we can go down to Tools, and we can display our tool panel once again. All right, so I'm going to click on my selection tool. This is the rectangular marquee. I can use this to drag my mouse over to the right and select the area I want to work with. Once I have selected it, I'm going to go up to Image and I'm going to go to Crop. And I'm just going to hit my quick Command D to deselect. Okay, next I'm going to type in my word. My word is going to be Florida, because that's where we are located. We are located in Pembroke Pines, Florida. And for this, I have chosen a very thick font. Thick fonts work best, especially when you are going to knock out the white background and fill it with the colorful image that you have on another layer. Okay, so first I want to move my letter spacing over. So I can hit Option, and I can use my arrow keys to make this area larger or smaller. So I'm just going to bring all these letters a little closer together. That way the font is more condensed. Okay. Okay, the next step is I'm going to want to unlock my background layer just by clicking on the lock icon here. I want to move my font below. The next step is I'm going to go to this layer here. I'm going to hold down the Option button. Now when I hold down the Option button and I mouse over, notice that I get an arrow. This is going to tell me that I'm going to now clip. I'm going to clip this image to the letters below. So I'm just going to click that. And now I have my clipping mask that's applied to my letters. Now, if I want to move the text around, I can click on that and I can move that background image within the text just to see how the variation of gradient reflects inside. All right. And that concludes our quick tutorial for today. Please click the like and follow button to see more videos like this. Bye-bye.